So we both just woke up. It is the last day of 2024. Wow, I can't believe 2024 is finally over. I mean, almost over. It is New Year's Eve today. I was actually I wasn't planning on vlogging today, but since it's the last day of 2024, like, why not? Hey, why not? And we're actually not doing anything today. We're just gonna chill at home and cook, watch movies. Hey, you gonna be watching movies, mommy? But yeah, Kavi's at work as always. I mean, it's New Year's Eve. We don't have fireworks like Sydney or Auckland or I don't know, this Melbourne? I don't know. I've never seen, but I've seen Sydney, the Sydney fireworks. It's lit, like way better than Auckland. Maybe next year we'll go to Sydney and see the harbour fireworks. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I bet people are already there, like lining up, you know, looking for car parks and crazy. And I think Auckland, people start going there in the afternoon. Yeah, but like, I just hope that the fireworks at the Sky Tower this year is good, because every year is the same. Like, so many people go there. Like the effort that people make just to get there to see that firework is a lot. But the fireworks never wows me. Yeah, it's always the same thing. But yeah, we don't have fireworks. Apparently it's bad. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. Why am I talking shit about this town already? I've only been here a few months. Oi. All right, Amira is sleepy right now. She woke up early. I think she woke up at like 8, just after 8 this morning, while I was still sleepy. Every time she wakes up, I just let her like play. I just put my arms, like when I'm really sleepy, I just put my arms around her and then I sleep. So whenever I feel like she's moving, that's when I wake up and like cuddle her again. But yeah, we don't have fireworks. But we're gonna be watching. Whoever's going to see the fireworks today, either in New Zealand or Sydney or wherever, I just hope that it's worth it. You know, it's worth the petrol going there, worth your energy, the money that you're spending on food. Yeah, I just hope, really hope that it's worth it. But yeah, let's see what the fireworks gonna be like in New Zealand tonight. I know, I went to see the fireworks once and I never went back. It was only once. I never went back. I was like, waste of time, waste of energy. I'd rather just spend that whole time going there, you know, watching a movie or going to a restaurant rather than going to see the fireworks. But then again, I get it. It happens once a year, so I'm just saying, don't.
Okay.
You know what? Don't listen to me. Just do what you gotta do. But yeah, I'm gonna put her back to sleep because she's sleepy. Otherwise, she'll be cranky the whole time I'm talking to you guys. All right, say bye to everyone before you go to sleep. Bye. Bye. All right, be back later. How cute is my little mirror over here? You can actually see yourself while you're cooking. Let's go. Alrighty. Just went to check on Amira. She's sleeping. She's like dead asleep. But yeah, this is the breakfast. The weather today is so beautiful. I mean, it's beautiful always. It's always sunny. This is what I eat every day. Well, most of the days. I just eat bagels and eggs. It gives me energy. It gives my baby energy. Eggs is such eggs are so healthy. So healthy. When I was pregnant with Amara, eggs was like my go-to breakfast. It has so many benefits that is good for your health, for your body, and who knows, your mind. So what are you guys doing for New Year's? I mean, what are you guys doing on New Year's Eve? Obviously, this video is gonna go up after New Year's. So, yeah, you guys are seeing what I'm doing on New Year's Eve by myself. Last year, what was I doing last year? I was at home pregnant last year. Like, I was in bed the whole day. Yeah. 2024 for me, I would say 2024 for me was a life-changing year. It's when I gave birth to my daughter. It's when I became a parent. Sorry, what was that? It's when I became a parent. Became a mom, which is such an amazing thing. Like, becoming a mom. Whoever's coming back to watch this video and whoever's been there since day one, since I posted the other vlogs that I did in India, like, you're amazing, and thank you so much for coming back to watch more videos of me just being me. I'm sorry that I'm talking with my mouth munching. I know it's disrespectful in my culture, but it's such a good, comfortable time to talk about this year. Reflect on 2024 and how it was and how it made me feel. I feel like 2024 is such a life-changing year for me as a person. I mean, it's the year that I gave birth to a whole human being. It's the year that I became a parent. I became a mom. And the things that comes after becoming a mom is such, like, they're challenges, and it's something that I was never, I've heard of, people talking, oh, you're gonna be like this, you're gonna be this, you're gonna be this. It's like when you're watching a movie and then you actually go to that place, you see that place, like Hobbiton. It's like that. Oh, this is actually, like the Hobbiton, like you've seen the Hobbiton, and then when it comes to the day that you're actually going to see where the movie was filmed, that feeling, like you're actually, this is reality, this is life. And it's completely transformed me in ways that I never expected. Such an incredible, surreal experience. But yeah, that's one of the main things that happened in my life this year, is giving birth to my daughter.
Okay.
I'm just gonna go wash my dishes now. But thank you so much for listening. Someone just woke up. How was your sleep, lovey? Huh? Look at your hair. So she's gonna have her breakfast. What do you want for breakfast? Huh? What do you want for breakfast, my love? What do you want for breakfast? Hey? So just making my baby some breakfast, leftover avocado. had breakfast? Are you gonna eat avocado for breakfast? Are you? What happened? She loves avocado. She's been having avocado this whole week. She's been loving avocado lately. So yeah, avocado is great. It's healthy, I say. You love avocado. You love avocado. She's just too cute. You love avocado. Huh? What? Are you ready to eat now? Too cute. Ah! There you go, lovey. There you go. Good girl. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
You can be like, here you'll find the best Minecraft Let's Plays on the internet, which is really cringy.
Legend, he got stuck in the sink. And you know how hot he gets in green.
Can you destroy your channel, or at the very least,
You're eating the remote now? So we're just chilling, watching YouTube. And I can see that Salman Khan has a movie that's coming out at the beginning of next year. Salman Khan has a movie. I just saw it now. He has a movie that's coming out. That's gonna come out next month. Let's see what it is. So it's called Sikandar. Sikandar. Okay, I think this is the actual teaser. Ah, so he's Sikandar. So he's the main character. Of course, he's always the main character. I'm curious, I can't wait to see it. Today's not too sunny, it's a bit dull. Funny story. So you know this plant right here, it is called, so it is lemon. I believe it's lemon. Lemon and lime are the same, right? Well, different, well, same but different. So it's right at the back of our house. The only problem is that it's blocked by this thing right here, so I can't really use it. I can't really go and get some to use because it's owned by the other neighbors. But yeah, I make a lot of like Samoan food that I like gulpai, one of my favorite, and I need to use that to make it smell, you know, lemony. So I've been wanting to go ask the neighbor if I can get some, but I have to go around, and then that's their entrance, and then come through there. I don't know, I'm just too shy to peep and see if anyone can see me, so I can ask them in that way. But oh well. If I do hear anyone, then I will probably go and ask. But yeah, I'll just stand here and admire the plant for now. Alright, so I'm in the kitchen. I feel like making cinnamon rolls today, and I haven't made cinnamon rolls in I think about a month now. So yeah, we're gonna be making cinnamon rolls now. But first, let's pump. Alrighty, I love cinnamon rolls. I've been perfecting my cinnamon rolls basically since I came here. I've been doing a lot of, been making a lot of cinnamon rolls, and I feel like I have the perfect recipe now. I'm just gonna go feed my baby. All right, the sun is out, you guys. The sun is out now. I did my liner today.
Okay.
So I'm gonna be making cinnamon rolls today just because I feel like it, and I can put it in the fridge to eat next year. Tomorrow's next year. Wow. I can put it in the fridge to eat later on. But yeah. Come with me, let's make cinnamon rolls. Third pump of the day. Ta-da! Gonna pump the other side. So it's 1:30. I still haven't eaten since that breakfast this morning. Still have this cake left that Cubby got me the day after Christmas. It's a sponge cake with so good. I'm gonna start on my paste. Let's call it paste. And that's our paste. What are you doing, my love? Alright, we're back, guys. Baby's just gone for her second nap of the day. So we're just gonna get this cinnamon rolls done. Alright, it's looking like, yeah, we're done. This is done. So pretty. Alrighty guys, I just made me a bowl. It's nice and soft. Exactly what I want. It's nice and soft. So yeah, that's pretty much our New Year's Eve. I hope you enjoyed this video. Baby's gonna be up soon. Yeah, nothing much. We're just gonna chill. We are hoping for an amazing year ahead. That is 2025. And yeah, I'll see you when I see you guys.